modern intelligent manufacturing workshop, an efficient and coordinated production system. From raw materials to finished products, every process is precisely controlled. High-precision laser cutting equipment, delivering millimeter-level machining accuracy, ensuring reliable and consistent structural components. Automated stamping and forming process, improving production efficiency and product consistency, providing strong support for structural durability. Professional welding technology, creating robust and sealed equipment enclosures, ensuring stable operation in demanding environments. Standardized assembly procedures, precise integration of core components, ensuring safety and reliability in every circuit breaker. High voltage withstand and lightning impulse tests, fully verifying insulation performance and protection capability, ensuring reliable performance under various grid conditions. High-quality circuit breakers and disconnectors, widely applied in power transmission and distribution systems, providing reliable protection for global power networks. Focused on high-voltage switchgear manufacturing, driven by quality and innovation, committed to protecting the future of power.